All right, good afternoon and welcome to Porcupine Stand here on YouTube with Saobet. Kumasi Asante Kotoko Sem Nadibia Buano. Ereba Epesomo Kama. Ame bibia etimi ekoyemam the latest when it comes to the affairs of Kotoko. And then Adibia Jede Eba. Now, don't forget to subscribe. Well, don't forget to subscribe to the account to get the latest of news. When it comes to Asante Kotoko affairs, so now or subscribe, hit it, turn the notification bell on now. And another exclusive interview, bro. Emmanuel Dasoberi granted an interview with Oyepa 100.7 FM. This has to do with Kumasi Asante Kotoko. Game against Samartex, and opinion, a granted an interview with Oyepa 100.7. Now, the interview will be played very soon for you to hear exactly what the administrative manager of Kumasi Asante Kotoko kind. But Munzenra team no kopie mu ewo fikasie mu nsɛm ena esi after the event. Emmanuel Dasoberi take advantage to let us know nsɛm a ɛkɔ so ɛwɔ meeting no mu. Ɛne nneɛma esi after the meeting. Ɛne nhyehyɛ ahodoɔ egu akwan mu after the meeting no. Now we nyina nneɛma ɛsɛ sɛ obrifu ɛyɛ Kumasi Asante Kotoko achitafo ɛna ɔyɛ now, he made mention of the secret meetings, the apologies. Our coach, Eddie Ama, the playing body, Onya Botre, Apomo Chow, Ewan Nyoma, Ekoso, Ewe Timunum. Na Osrom say, dear Sieno, Omo Mfanche, na Omuntiminka Odombo Dom, na Omunsifom, Ewo Kotoko game Omobo against Samartex, or address all these issues. During this interview, again, he called on the fans. Without the fans of Kumasi Asante Kotoko, the team, the way SSA team, the growth of the team be stagnant, and the development of Kotoko so he told the fans to come on board and show love to Asante Kotoko, and also Sem Fufra. Emmanuel Dasoberi Edituja. So, was sure the fans, also coach Ogum Kasa Opemswo, now he must Kasa, assuring the fans of the victory against Samartex. And now all Kasa Osro Mwamunina Ambra on board. Na Nyamia Duma Kosiada, Omumbe Tatim Nechi, na Mbwa Momunkunim die, in a year Omunsa Ken Biacheno, Intimimbra, Bienko, Intianko, na Yunkutie, the interviewer Dasoberi. And yeah, they are coming in the bed to us.
Yeah, hello.
Okay, you might even go.
I'm fine, all right.
But I say at this point, message Ben Pan was say supporters because Otum voice management, was your players and the coaches, the technical team, the actors. Only more shared in common, a demon some. They can change their speculations and other things. What message now at this point supporters and also Munya? I need a way forward now.
Yo, time I need to my mention on or panelists or more shooting so. Bamen far and shark so and my supporters are Omo Ghana and Amanone. And send you see and Rano, Yinaya TB. And senior D can kind of Marka Siciano, near Bayim and also like how I said. And ye day you need to pan say, Yene Samartex, book is here day. Samartex match no so no, Kotoko will be in say a match very crucial, MIA. Until again, Miss Penny say, yes, supporters. Yes, Biano, Omo the Omonia day, Omo man and Kaho, Nine Shiny day in. Until a top panel say the moment. And so results now club no yanya no why and ya do say come has and perfection of the brand Asante Kotoko. Then the original club name na my then like I said Pomacho we bring coach no and now on the players need to share a kasai into the you man or say na edu him.
Okay.
To make sure your supporters You could see that you need Samartex. Omumna Stadium, your best from up. Omumna Stadium, Omeka team Mechi. And I am sure, say, at the time I raped in the Bona Benz or Pondi, Kotoko would have been victorious.
That's very reassuring. Me, Kase, based on Komwa Akosui, and mo meetings with the team for them, Musia players, would you say, and Niema na ACC quinding in Ano? Like, are you convinced that Obia Wakuma Mufanya or the Babe Jumano so that you get the results you are looking for?
And the analysis and kind of from deductions now, and say, players need every meeting up in social players, social technical team management. You are not in social IMC. Yeah, you know. IMC for now, and I am not in chronic coach now. Yes, I need to be 2 hours. Same like what we do I can't watch him, and then moving forward, no more say we have discussed it. And you players also individually and all that, they can't watch him. And now the coach needs to show them, they pour their hearts out. The coach give his assurance to say moving forward, he will try and watch. Men kind of say compromise and I say but he will try and as a first one there needs to be a little bit of communication gap. That is our communication gap, and also yes, in general, not thankfully a coach trainings and many coach I mean he was remorseful of all the issues that have happened because when you coach he's up and coming, he has a long way in his career and all that, and he didn't want to say and you might be say a bit jeopardizing a career. So maybe I am convinced, more than 100% convinced, a coach, assurances for the man, it is from his heart. I have worked with him for some time. If it is not from his heart, I'll be very surprised. And if your boy is not so kind, saying I'll be very surprised. In the time I remember from all putting everything together, I am 100% convinced that we'll be in the one free. Okay. And I am sure that they would have displayed that kind of forgiving way, say no, they would display it on the field.
Okay. That's fine. You expected the best to support us. One, Omumra. Na Omumebua for you to get the 3 points that you are looking for. Players, they do their best. Technical team management to be first pick those 3 points. And the rest will follow. That's
right.
Now, coach, Kwesiada honors and job for Bekasa.
A post-match conference.
Post-match conference.
Yeah, I can give you that firm assurance. Okay. Moving forward, he would do that.
Okay, Imanti, we can only wish you all the best. Why? Thank you very much. Right. Okay. Quick.
Dasoberi now turning Kano addressing all the issues when it comes to the affairs of Kumasi Asante Kotoko. I hope sir this interview obenya munchirimu abeboama nyame yaruma kwasiada as a fan of Kumasi Asante Kotoko obeba the Baba Sports Stadium to come and support the team na waboama team and modern etimi akoye. This is what we've all been waiting for. Now there's assurance that Coach Ogum is coming back to post-match. There's Asamba Kwana Edaho say Anna Ehadjeno. There's been that confirmation that Coach Ogum ebeba post-match ababe engage the press. Now address the issues no matter the results ebeba he will come out and speak to issues. And also ya idea ba Kwana domini bebre epe. Na domini bebre episode muhu dia koso. So issues have been resolved. Kotoko is back on track, and we are waiting for all of you. Nyame adoma kwasiada against Samartex set mobeba mababe support to team nene team no ebeye training no chana omasa training na kwasiada omne Samartex ede ababe shesha so yeda munyina wase. Bye bye.